Unraveling the Idiom, in the mix. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's quite popular in everyday English conversations. In the mix. If you've heard it before and wondered what it means, or if you're encountering it for the first time and want to use it correctly, you're in the right place. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery of this idiomatic expression together. In the mix is an idiomatic phrase that carries a couple of key meanings. Primarily, it refers to being part of a group or involved in an activity. When someone says they are in the mix, they could be talking about being involved in a discussion, a competition, or any situation where multiple elements or people are interacting. But that's not all. In the mix can also mean that someone or something is being considered for an opportunity. For example, if there's a job opening and your application is in the mix, it means you're one of the candidates being considered. Let's put in the mix into context with some examples. Social situations. Imagine you're at a party, and you're actively engaging with different groups of people. You're in the mix, mingling and being part of the social scene. Professional scenarios. At work, if you're in the mix for a promotion, it means your boss is considering you along with other colleagues for a step up in your career. Sports and competitions. In sports, a team that's in the mix is one of the contenders for the championship. They are in a good position to compete for the top spot. By understanding how in the mix is used in different scenarios, you can start to get a feel for the phrase and how to use it in your own conversations. Like many idiomatic expressions, in the mix can be slightly altered while keeping its core meaning. For instance, throw someone into the mix means to add a person into a situation or group. Mix it up often refers to varying what you are doing to make it more interesting or diverse. Mixed in can be a more passive way of saying that something is part of a larger whole. Recognizing these variations will help you become even more fluent and natural when using the phrase. And there you have it. You're now more equipped to use the phrase, in the mix, in your English conversations. Whether you're talking about social events, work opportunities, or competitive situations, this phrase can add a layer of dynamism to your language. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using in the mix next time you find yourself in an English dialogue. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video helps you feel a little more in the mix with English speakers around the world. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.